Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to my channel again. My name is Cherima. Remember, this is the video and this is the channel where you learn how to speak Kikuyu. We are not learning how to write Kikuyu, we are learning how to speak Kikuyu. Excuse me. So welcome again to my channel. Thanks for joining me, and for those new subscribers, welcome and feel at home. This is where we learn, this is where we get to know how to speak Kikuyu basics, and even to broaden our speaking skills in Kikuyu. For those who have been asking my contacts, I will drop them down there. I will drop them in the description box below, and if there is anything that I will if there is anything to do with the writings, I will also drop it down there in the description box below. Remember also, for the past 2 or 3 4 videos ago, I also tried to include some text or some writings down in the description space below the video. So just to confirm with you, get the videos, watch the videos, and remember also to check on the description box below. Not to forget, I explained last time, I am not good in theory. I'm not good in writing Kikuyu. So in any case, bear with me. I might be writing the words not the way they are supposed to be written, but at least maybe you can be able to pronounce them if you are easily if you learn easily from writing. So again, this video is about how to ask someone if he or she speak Kikuyu or any other languages. We're going to start from the word go, and the first thing you ask someone is, of course, how are you? Wemwega. We already learned that in the previous video ago, and of course, if you meet someone, you just say, how are you? Wemwega. That's how we say it in Kikuyu. So you continue asking that person, do you speak Kikuyu? Newaragia Gikuyu. Do you speak Kikuyu? Newaragia Gikuyu. That's how we ask someone if they speak Kikuyu. You can also be asking someone, do you speak English? Newaragia Githogo. Newaragia Githogo. Remember, Newaragia is do you speak? Speak. Do you speak? Newaragia Githogo. Githogo is English. That's how we say English in Kikuyu. Now, that's the question. Newaragia Githogo. Newaragia Githogo. Or you can ask, do you speak Kikuyu? Newaragia Gikuyu. Newaragia Gikuyu. Like I said previously, Newaragia is asking, do you speak Newaragia Gikuyu? Gikuyu is Kikuyu in Kikuyu. That's how we say it. Now, it could be you are asking someone, how much Kikuyu do you speak? How much Kikuyu do you speak? Waragia Gikuyu keigana atia? Waragia Gikuyu keigana atia? Waragia, do you speak Gikuyu, Kikuyu keigana atia? How much? How much Kikuyu do you speak? It could be the person says, I speak a lot of Kikuyu. Jaragia Gikuyu keige. Or you can say, Jaragia Gikuyu giothe. I speak a lot of Kikuyu. Jaragia, I speak Gikuyu, Kikuyu, Giothe. I speak a lot of Kikuyu, or I speak all. I have the skills. I have all the skills. Jaragia, Gekoyo, Keige. Let's say, like, Keige means much, a lot of Kikuyu. Or I speak a lot. Or I have a lot of Kikuyu skills. Jaragia, speaking. Gekoyo, Kikuyu, Keige. Keige is a lot. Or you can say, I can understand. Generally, I just speak good, fluent Kikuyu. Jaragia, I speak Gekoyo, Kikuyu, Giothe. I speak all Kikuyu. Like, I understand everything, or I can speak a lot and fluent Kikuyu. Jaragia, Gekoyo, Giothe. Jaragia, Gekoyo, Giothe. Or Jaragia, Gekoyo, Kenini. Kenini. Let's say Kenini is like saying I just speak a little bit of Kikuyu. Jaragia, I speak Gekoyo, Kikuyu, a little. I speak a little bit of it. Jaragia, Gekoyo, Kenini. Kenini. A little bit. A little bit of Kikuyu. I just speak a little bit. Kenini. Remember, Kenini is just little, or I understand a little bit of Kikuyu. Jaragia, Gekoyo, Kenini. Kenini. Just a little bit of it. And a lot, we said Keige or Giothe, like a lot of it. I hope you are coming along with me. Now, it could be you are asking someone, how long have you been speaking Kikuyu? How long have you been speaking Kikuyu? Ukoretwo ukiaria Gikuyu gwa kahinda kaigana. Ukoretwo, how long? Ukiaria, how long have you been speaking Gikuyu, Kikuyu, gwa kahinda kaigana? For how much time? Like, for how long? Ukoretwo ukiaria Gikuyu gwa kahinda kaigana. Ukoretwo ukiaria Gikuyu gwa kahinda kaigana. How long have you been speaking Kikuyu? You can say, I've been speaking Kikuyu for 2 months. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mieri eri. Ngoretwo, I have been ngiaria, speaking Gikuyu, Kikuyu for 2 months. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mieri. Mieri are months, ere 2. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mieri eri. Mieri is month, ere is 2. 2 months. I've been speaking Kikuyu for 2 months. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mieri eri. Mieri eri. You can say I've been speaking Kikuyu for 1 month. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mweri omwe. Ngoretwo, I've been speaking ngiaria, speaking to, I've been speaking to speak Gikuyu, Kikuyu, mieri, month, months, mweri omwe, 1 month. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mweri omwe. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mweri omwe. Ngoretwo ngiaria Gikuyu mweri ũmwe. Ngoretwo ngĩaria Gĩkũyũ mweri ũmwe. I have been speaking Kikuyu for 1 month. I have been speaking Kikuyu for 1 month. Now, it could be you are not even speaking Kikuyu, you are still in the process of learning. So, let's say you want to say, I'm still learning Kikuyu. I am still learning Kikuyu. No ndĩrathoma Gĩkũyũ. No ndĩrathoma Gĩkũyũ. Or you can say, no ndĩrathoma kwaria Gĩkũyũ. No ndĩrathoma. I am still learning kwaria. I'm still learning to speak kwaria Gĩkũyũ. I'm still learning to speak Kikuyu. Kwaria is to speak. No ndĩrathoma. Gũthoma is like learning, the process of learning. Excuse me. No ndĩrathoma kwaria Gĩkũyũ. No ndĩrathoma kwaria Gĩkũyũ. You can even say, I am still going to school. Nĩ thiaga thukuru gũthoma Gĩkũyũ. Or, okay, you can say, I still go to school to learn to speak Kikuyu. Or I still go to school to speak Kikuyu. No ndĩrathiĩ cukuru gũthoma Gĩkũyũ. No ndĩrathiĩ, I'm still going. Shukuru, no ndĩrathiĩ cukuru. School, shukuru is school. No ndĩrathiĩ cukuru gũthoma, to learn or to read. Let's use the word learn Gĩkũyũ, Kikuyu. No ndĩrathiĩ thukuru gũthoma Gĩkũyũ. Or you can say, no ndĩrathiĩ thukuru gũthoma kwaria. Kwaria is to speak. Kwaria, 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 to speak. No ndĩrathiĩ thukuru. Thukuru is school. That's how we translate school in Kikuyu. Thukuru. No ndĩrathiĩ thukuru gũthoma kwaria Gĩkũyũ. I am still going to school to learn how to speak Kikuyu. I hope you're getting I hope you're getting along with me. It's a bit complex, but I believe in you and I know you are going to learn this, and I know you are getting me, or you're getting what I'm saying. So yes, I think that's how you can keep the conversation going. Now, let's say for example somebody asks you, where did you learn Kikuyu? Where did you learn Kikuyu? Wathomire kwaria Gĩkũyũ kũ? Wathomire kwaria Gĩkũyũ kũ? Where did you learn to speak Kikuyu? Wathomire. Gũthoma is to read, to learn. Wathomire. Kwaria, kwaria we say is to speak. Gũthoma, to read, read. Kwaria, to speak. Gĩkũyũ, Kikuyu, ko, where? Where did you learn to speak? Where did you learn to speak Kikuyu? Wathomire kwaria Gĩkũyũ kũ? Wathomire kwaria Gĩkũyũ kũ? That's how we ask. Where did you learn to speak Kikuyu? Or where did you get your Kikuyu skills? Wathomire kwaria Gĩkũyũ kũ? Now, you can answer and say, I learned from a YouTube video. Ndathomire video-inĩ YouTube. Ndathomire video-inĩ YouTube. I learned from a YouTube video. Dadomire, that is like past tense when you are just telling someone who asked you where. So it's like past tense. Dadomire, I learned Kikuyu in YouTube videos. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu YouTube video-inĩ cia YouTube. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu video-inĩ cia YouTube. Video is video. Cia videos of or that belong YouTube to YouTube. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu YouTube. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu YouTube. Or you can say dathomire kwaria Gikuyu YouTube-inĩ. YouTube-inĩ. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu YouTube-inĩ. Ine is like in YouTube. In YouTube. I learned to speak Kikuyu in YouTube videos, like in YouTube, inside YouTube. I think it's understandable that too. There are so many ways to explain that, or just to say where you learned. You can say, I learned to speak Kikuyu in a school, or I went to a school. I learned to speak Kikuyu in a school. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu thukuru-inĩ. Ine is like inside something, or inside, it has always to do with something in, ine, you have that feeling of in. So you can say, I learned to speak Kikuyu at school, or in the school, or depending on how you speak English. I learned to speak Kikuyu in school or at school. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu thukuru-inĩ. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu thukuru-inĩ. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu thukuru-inĩ. Dathomire, I learned. Kwaria, we said, is to speak. Gikuyu, Kikuyu. Thukuru-inĩ, in school. I learned to speak Kikuyu in the school or at school. I learned at school. I got my Kikuyu skills from school. Now, you can even say, I learned from a fellow Kenyan, or I learned Kikuyu from a Kenyan, or from someone from Kikuyu tribe. Now, this is how you say it. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu Kikuyu. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu kwĩ mũgĩkũyũ ũngĩ. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu kwĩ mũgĩkũyũ ũngĩ. Mũgĩkũyũ is another Kikuyu. It's a Kikuyu. Just like how you can say Kenya, Kenyan. So you say Kikuyu, Kikuyus. Like mũgĩkũyũ ũngĩ. Another Kikuyu. From a Kikuyu from, I don't know, from Kenya, or from Central Province, from, I don't know, from any part of Kenya. That's how you can answer that. I learned to speak Kikuyu from another Kikuyu, from a Kikuyu in Kenya. Dathomire kwaria Gikuyu kwĩ mũgĩkũyũ wa Kenya. From a Kikuyu in Kenya, or from a Kenyan Kikuyu, or from a Kikuyu that's from Kenya. Dathomire, I learned. Kwaria, to speak. Kikuyu, Gikuyu. Kwĩ mũgĩkũyũ, from a Kikuyu that's from Kenya. Kwĩ mũgĩkũyũ Kenya. a Kikuyu that is Kenyan. Mo Kenya, Mo Kenya, Mo Kenya is a Kenyan Kikuyu or a Kenyan. Mo Gikuyu, Mo Kenya. Mo Gikuyu, Mo Kenya. That's a Kikuyu from Kenya. That's how we translate that in Kikuyu. Now, I wanted to shortly just go to, I'm not going to prolong this video, otherwise it's going to be really long and you're going to be loaded with stuff and it's not really good. So we are going to go very quickly onto something different, and I'm going to tell you how we call other languages in Kikuyu, namely the language like English. For example, English is called Gedogo. English, Gedogo. Kikuyu, Gekoyo. Kikuyu, Gekoyo. Kiswahili or Swahili, Githweri. Githweri or Githwaeri. 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 French, Faraja. 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 Chinese, Geshaina. 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 German, Kejerumani. 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 Hindu, Kehede. 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 Now, Arabic, Kiarafu. 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 Now, as you may have realized from how I call these languages, it always has to start with K. 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 Kehede. Kefaraja. Kejerumani. Gekoyo. Gekoyo can be written with G-I or K-I. So it has either ways. Gedogo. Gedogo. K. So it simply means if you have that language and you know how to speak it, you just have to add a K and the language itself. So that's how you should pronounce the language in Kikuyu language. With those few words, I'm going to end this video right here with the hope that you just came along with me, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video as well. Keep dropping your comments down there. Share this video to your friends, your families, to everyone from all over the world, and thank you so much for being part of this video. I am so much humbled and I so much appreciate everyone who takes time to learn from me and keep in contact. Thank you so much. Good evening and goodbye.